So we've completed phase one, which is our production environment. So we have liquid production, we have our warehousing, and we have our powder production. Just under 30% of our total revenue will be shipped out of North Carolina. As you can see this is our liquid production facility. And we have the ability to make washed extracts, compounded flavors. We have a 1,500 gallon, and then we have a 700 gallon tank. And in each of those tanks, we can make separate batches, or we can tie the two together to have a total output of 2,200 gallons. Each of these tanks were custom built, and part of that custom build out is we added an extra prop near the bottom. So these tanks normally you can only do down to 25% full. We can go all the way down to about 20%. This is our powder production area. So this is our holding area for any materials, and then they go into each of their rooms. So we have our bulk blender here, smaller size blender here, and then another smaller size blender here. Gives us flex capacity depending on order size. And as you'll feel, we're in an air conditioned area. The benefit of air conditioning, it not only cools the air, but also dries it. As we know in North Carolina, we have a humid climate, but we need to keep our dries dry. We've engineered our systems to go straight into a bag in a box. So that eliminates turnover, cleanup, because in a small production environment or any production environment, all your money lost is in equipment changeover. We can make 12 different powder blends in a single day from just these 3 blenders here. Those ribbon blenders, we have to have 6 of them to do the same amount of throughput that we do with 3 here in North Carolina. So with this clean in place system, it can clean, sanitize, and dry within 45 minutes. This is the first of its kind on wheels. So we only need 1. And our throughput on this room is 23 pours per man hour. Out on the production floor, it's 7. So by everything we can push to this room, we're more than tripling our efficiencies. What's underway right now is our phase 2, a new QC lab with expanded capabilities there, as well as an applications lab and R&D lab. So we can make flavors, finished product solutions, all at the completion of phase 2, which is currently estimated for end of October. I'm a food scientist at heart, so right where the magic happens, we're gonna have beautiful sunlight coming through. So customers can come on site, see their product being made, and it's a film-ready environment. So we can have brands come on site, see things flowing off of a prototype line, and they can use that as part of their marketing.